So what you're looking for is you're looking for these micro audiences where people are much more passionate. So let's go back to golf. So with golf, what do you have? You have kids. Let's say another one would be women. You know, there's this whole generation like LPGA, all stuff. There's this whole generation of female golfers, and female golfers are different than male golfers. Now, if you're just doing generic golf videos, sure, you might grab some kids, you might grab some women, you might grab some men. But as you dial down and get very, very, very specific, you're going to get even bigger. So then let's say courses. You know, you can literally do AI or faceless content talking all about the different courses that are out there, right? Let's just basically do like players. You can do a whole channel that just does nothing more than focus on other people's content. It just focuses on clips of players making great shots. The whole thing could be themed, where it's just literally showing some like the best golf shots, stuff like that. You could do attire, like clothing. So you keep seeing what you could do. You can break down this niche, because the more you go from sports to golf to a sub niche, now you're going to be able to create content that is going to be more likely to be able to go viral within that niche. Maybe it doesn't do 30 million views, but it doesn't matter, because you're tailoring to a targeted niche. Maybe you could do equipment, you know, showing the different types of balls, the different kinds of clubs, the different kinds of bags, the different kinds of tees, the different kinds of gloves, the different types of all the stuff that's equipment related. My point is, niche down. This is going to be the big thing that you want to learn, is how to niche down. Now, tomorrow, as we go through this, I want you to choose a niche.